This 2023 Ford F-150 Raptor came in for paint protection film and window tint. We had previously done the window tint a while ago, but it came back in for paint protection film. This customer wanted to protect the front paint area from any rocks coming up and chipping the paint. Paint protection film is the best option for you if you want to protect the paint. So we completed our full front paint protection film package with our Autobahn brand Incognito paint protection film. And this customer also wanted to add some additional coverage to some other areas that are not included in our full front package, which would be the A pillars, the roof line, the B pillars, the door cups, and the door edges on all 4 doors. And then we also added a small section of matte paint protection film down here on the rear fender flares. And again, our full front package covers the full hood, full front bumper, which this one is just a small bumper partition piece at the bottom, the full fenders up to the doors, headlights, and the mirror caps. And then this vehicle did previously come in for the tint, so when we did that one, we applied our top level i3 ceramic tint on all the side windows and the back glass. Now he did a few different tint shades, which will be specified in the description. And then we also tinted the Panoroof, which you can't see because it's closed right now, but we tinted the Panoroof in our top level i3 ceramic as well. So the i3 ceramic blocks out 93% infrared heat. And then we applied our clear ceramic on the full front windshield to help block out 68% infrared heat without darkening the windshield at all, so it's still NC legal. And then we did a small visor strip up at the top to help block out some extra sun glare as well. So this vehicle is fully protected with paint protection film in the front with some additional areas on the sides and the back. And then it's fully protected on every single piece of glass from 99% UV and infrared heat because he went with a ceramic tint.